Welcome to Peace Concepts. We produce short videos to help you reduce interpersonal drama and conflict. Have you ever found yourself in an argument over a simple misunderstanding? Let's explore how to handle such situations more peacefully. Meet Sarah and Michael, a couple who recently found themselves in a heated argument. Things had been going well until one day, Michael made an offhand comment about Sarah's cooking, intending it as a joke. However, Sarah felt deeply offended. "How could you say that?" Sarah snapped. She was hurt by Michael's words. "I put so much effort into that meal." Michael, surprised, tried to explain. "I was just joking, Sarah. I didn't mean to upset you." But Sarah wasn't having it. "That's not funny. You're always making little jabs, and I'm tired of it." As their argument escalated, both took offense at each other's words, fueling the conflict further. Situations like this are common in relationships, friendships, and even professional settings. So what does it mean to take offense? Well, it's interpreting someone's actions or words as disrespectful or harmful, triggering negative emotions. It often leads to anger, hurt, and frustration, and damages our well-being and relationships. But you can choose not to take offense. Taking offense is not just a reaction, but a choice. We can break this cycle. While it might be difficult, we can choose not to be offended. This conscious decision helps prevent drama and conflict from escalating, allowing us to maintain healthier relationships. Dwelling on grievances creates a personal hell of misery. Hanging on to resentment blocks opportunities for growth and understanding. Recognizing this cycle and striving to break free from its toxic grip is your only choice. Here's how you can avoid taking offense. 1. Cultivate self-awareness. Recognize when you're getting triggered and reacting badly. 2. Build emotional resilience by practicing staying calm and composed. And 3. Communicate effectively. Express what you're feeling openly and listen to others. In conflicts like Sarah and Michael's, resolution hinges on open communication, empathy, and prioritizing the relationship over individual grievances. By acknowledging each other's perspectives and focusing on mutual goals, you can strengthen your bond and avoid self-inflicted misery. Reframe your responses to conflict by prioritizing understanding and kindness. Nurture healthy relationships by choosing empathy and effective communication. You'll transform your conflicts into opportunities for growth and connection. Embracing a peaceful life isn't about eliminating conflict, but navigating it healthily and productively. Refuse to take offense and respond with empathy. This choice benefits your well-being and fosters a harmonious life for you and those around you. Are you ready to break free from the cycle of taking offense and create more harmonious relationships? Subscribe to our channel for more Peace Concept videos where we explore practical strategies for cultivating understanding, resolving conflicts, and nurturing meaningful connections. Peace Concepts is a production of Peaceful Life Productions.